Good morning and welcome to Cheese Moto by Roman Dmitry. Today I want to attach a battery lead to Sergei so that he's a lot easier to plug in and trickle charge over a long period of time. I got my NOCO Genius1 charger and maintainer here, which is a really sweet small device. I do have a bigger one that has 4 outputs, but I don't know, there's something special about the little guy. The little guy is just so cute and irresistible. So if I got my bike in some corner of the garage where my other maintainer can't reach, I simply plug this into one of the outlets. It came with a piece like this, but we're gonna detach the alligator clamps and just raw dog it. Alright, well, I just installed it. It was only a couple minutes of work. I had to finagle it a little bit, but we got it in, so let's see if it works. So I plugged it in and I noticed it always starts on red, and then after a few minutes, if the battery's charged, it'll indicate the correct color. Green means pretty good. I haven't bothered to read the instructions yet. You know, that's not what we're doing here today. We're just installing the battery leads so that it's easy for us to charge without having to actually clamp it on every time. What I'm going to do now is just get my multimeter and quickly test the voltage of the battery. That way I know if we're going to wait a long time or not. So here's our little friend. Look at that, 13.5 volts. That's really good. I'll do another video explaining what the voltages should be, but for those who don't know, a 12-volt battery, if it reads 12 volts, that means it's basically dead. Closer to 14 volts is where you want to be. And your voltages will change when it's charging. Well, there you have it. It's plugged in and it seems to be charging. We actually don't need to wait for that light to turn green because the light's on and it's doing something, so we know that it's working and we didn't fuck up our connections. So in just a couple of minutes, we managed to take the panel off the bike, put the leads on the battery, cover it back up, and now we have really easy access for trickle charging. I'd call that a success. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Leave your questions, comments, concerns down below, and have yourselves a great rest of your day.